It's like everybody these days uses video. And to me, it's no surprise, as the founder and owner of a production company for the last 15 years or so, featured in places like Forbes, Cosmopolitan, and producing videos for the likes of Tony Robbins to Selena Gomez. I have known for years how effective video marketing can be and how it can increase your engagement and sales. The reason video works so well for businesses is because when you use video in your marketing, that itself becomes a form of entertainment. In other words, video is the de facto marketing tool for smart, up-to-date women in business who have a drive to get their message out to the world. But how do you make videos that actually helps you get results? How do you build a storyline that emotionally connects with your audience? What should you do or not do when it comes to marketing and using videos in your marketing? So I talk to a lot of female entrepreneurs, and nearly all of them tell me they know how important video is, but sadly, many fall short in creating consistent video content that helps them to skyrocket their business. They tell me things like, I'm not comfortable in front of a camera. I don't want to come off as salesy or desperate for clients. And the list of objections goes on and on. But listen, if you don't feel comfortable or you feel that it doesn't make sense for your business, then that is fine. But if you want to be the figurehead for your business and you're just feeling insecure or not comfortable in front of the camera, then let me tell you, this is really an easy way to get rid of all these emotional or practical obstructions. And I can show you how. I want to invite you to join me on this webinar where I'll be sharing with you some of my insider secrets, the same techniques that I use to create extremely effective videos that I have used for years. The things that I will teach you is what I've used to produce videos for clients such as Katie Piper, who built a following of like 2,000 on YouTube with hundreds of thousands of views with just a small batch of videos, to Cheryl, to Tony Robbins, to even companies such as BBC, agencies such as Saatchi & Saatchi, MTV, and the list goes on. In other words, you're going to be learning the techniques that the big personalities and the big brands use. And some of my clients have actually quadrupled their sales by using videos. So tell me, doesn't this sound good? Come along to this webinar and let me show you how to use the popularity of video to establish your reputation, to reach more people and grow your business really fast. Use the link underneath this video right now and I shall see you there.